Guangzhou Yuben Hydraulic Technology Company Limited. In 2012, we began to focus on research, development, and production of crimping machine. Market philosophy: win the market by quality to promote the brand reputation. We always uphold honest as business purposes, persist in improving technology, quality first, specializing in the production of hydraulic hose assembly production equipment, select high-end production equipment and related international famous brand parts in the manufacturing industry. Strictly control every link in the production. Keep improving in order to provide customers with high performance, high stability, and cost-effective products. Excellent product quality and perfect post-sale and after-sale service. Thus, company's products are widely praised by customers in the industry. Since 2014, 80% of company's products have been exported to Germany, America, Japan, and other European, America, and Asia-Pacific countries and regions. Like the friends that buy crimping machines, use good crimping machine.